Hi, first grade. This is Miss Hunt here. I just wanted to kind of check in with you guys since we didn't get to have school in a couple of days. And if you have time, I was going to share a book with you. So this book is called My Dog Laughs, and it was written by Rachel Isadora, and it was actually given to me by my mom, who wanted to share a book with you guys. So, My Dog Laughs. I do love the cover art of this book. If you look, it's got lots of cute little dogs. And just a side note, if you happen to hear some barking or clicking of toenails or little tails going across the screen, I am in my house, so my 4 dogs are up and walking around. My Dog Laughs. It says it was for Mocha and all her friends. I meet my dog. I name my dog. This is Olivia. This is River. And this is Paco, Munchie, Daisy, and Josie. My dog looks like me. Nice smile, nice eyes, nice graceful feet. My dog dances. Nice posture, nice red hair. My dogs look like each other. They are sisters. Here's one of my dogs now. This is Duchess. My dog is as big as me. Mine is so small. She says, "You're so big." My dog and cat are the same size. Getting to know my dog. My dog loves belly rubs. Mine likes to watch TV with me. My dog likes to lick. Mine too. It says, "That tickles." My dog is sad when I leave. My dog cries. Mine do that too sometimes. My dog follows me everywhere, even into the bathroom. My dog farts a lot. It says, "P.U. Winston, stinky." My dog gets checkups, just like me. It says, "It's okay, Charlie." My dog likes to cuddle. Sometimes my dog sleeps in my bed. Sometimes I sleep in his bed. My dog likes to sleep a lot. My dog dreams. I train my dog. Here are some commands. Sit, stay, lie down, leave it, no jumping, good doggy. My dog tries hard sometimes, but sometimes makes mistakes. Oops, I had an accident. Go here, Pearl. This pee-pee pad is for you. It says, "Uh-oh, I'm in trouble." You look, he tore up a bunch of toilet paper. It says, "These chew toys are for you." Sometimes my dog wants my dinner. No begging, Bailey. The food I eat can make you sick. No grapes. This is your dinner. Don't drink from the toilet. You drink from your bowl. And I drink from my glass. Going out with my dog. My dog wears a collar, a name tag, and a leash. My dog has a red harness. Mine has a blue leash. Sometimes my dog wears a coat, a sweater, a raincoat, or boots. In the car, we all wear our seatbelts. It says, "Let's go, Carlos." I take my dog outside when he has to pee. Good boy, Rocco. When my dog poops, I clean up after her. You see, she's putting it in the garbage can. My dog loves going to the park. My dog has lots of friends. It says sniff, sniff, sniff. That's how they're all talking to each other. My dog eats worms. It says no spike. Yuck. My dog chases squirrels, but never catches any. My dog howls at fire engines. Mine barks at skateboarders. No, Rufus. My dog plays. My dog plays with her friends. There they are, they're playing outside in the snow. My dog plays with me. My dog can catch anything. It says, bravo, Pokey. If you look, he caught a Frisbee. My dog likes to do all the things I do. We paint, we dance, we dress up. You look at all those cute outfits. It says, we dig, we watch the waves. My dog snuggles. I love my dog. My dog makes me feel better when I am sick. My dog loves me even when I strike out. He's disappointed, but his dog loves him. It says, my dog celebrates my birthday. My dog sings. If you look right here, it says, happy birthday to you. My dog waits for me. Mine helps with my homework. My dog is always happy to see me. Mine too. My dog thinks I'm funny. My dog laughs. Well, if you got the chance to watch, thank you for joining me, and I will have a AR quiz posted when I share this video. The AR quiz does not read to you. I made the quiz myself, and there was no way for me to add any audio recording. So if you do choose to take the quiz, make sure you have a grown-up with you who can help you read the questions, or that you feel super comfortable reading the questions yourself, because all the words will not be first grade words, okay? I love you, I miss you, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye, first grade.